No Stress, a guided meditation by Don't Forget to Breathe. Please begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. When you're ready, close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand before exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension that you may be holding on to. Let's begin our meditation on finding a stress-free life. Please bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Feel the coolness of the breath as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Allow your breathing to be natural and effortless. With each breath, let go of any tension or worries you may be carrying. Simply breathe in and out. As you continue breathing, you may notice your body start to relax and your mind start to calm. Shift your attention to your body, starting from the top of your head, bringing awareness to each part as you slowly move down. Notice any sensations, any tension, or areas of discomfort. As you do, imagine a warm, soothing light washing over that area, releasing any stress or tension. Continue this gentle body scan, bringing relaxation and calm to each part of your body as you breathe in and out. As you bring your thoughts back to your breath with a calm body and a calm mind, realize that thoughts may arise during meditation, and instead of engaging with them, practice observing them without judgment. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing through a clear sky, coming and going without any need for effort on your part. Allow them to drift away, gently returning your attention to your breath whenever you find yourself carried away by a thought. And breathe in and out. As you breathe, bring to mind something you are grateful for, something that brings you joy or peace. It may be a person, it may be a place, or it may be an experience that you've lived through. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in that feeling of gratitude. Notice how it feels in your body and how it lifts your spirits. Allow that gratitude to expand within you, cultivating a sense of calm, of peace, of happiness happiness and of contentment. And breathe in and out. Bring your attention slowly to the present moment. Let go of any concerns about the past or future. Focus on what is happening right now, in this moment. Feel the support of the surface beneath you, the gentle rise of your breath, and the stillness surrounding you. Embrace the peace that comes with fully being in your presence. Allow yourself to be happy with yourself, right here, right now. Feel yourself grounded, peaceful, calm, and relaxed. If you need to, scan your body again for any tensions, releasing them with that warm light, relaxing your mind, and calming your body as you continue to breathe in and out. Calm, peaceful, relaxed, and stress-free. As we near the end of our meditation today, I want to thank you on joining me on this journey of relaxation. I hope you carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day, allowing it to guide you in managing stress and finding moments of peace. Remember that meditation is a practice, and the more you engage with it, the more benefits you will experience. If you did enjoy this meditation, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really does help our small channel grow. Have a great day, and don't forget to breathe.